Maharashtra politics is facing a blunt question once again. Does family legacy still deliver power, or has the voter decisively moved on? The latest municipal election trends from Mumbai and Pune suggest that lineage alone is no longer enough. The political makeup attempts by the Thakres and the Pawars may have looked dramatic, but on the ground, the result tells a different story. Mumbai was supposed to be the emotional centerpiece. Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray reunited after nearly 20 years, signaling a return to the original Thackeray force. The symbolism was powerful, the optics were strong, and expectations were high. But the voter response appears muted. The BJP and Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena are heading towards control of the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, India's richest civic body. This is significant because Mumbai was ruled by the undivided Shiv Sena for 25 years, with or without the BJP until the 2022 split. Eknath Shinde's rise rests on a simple political claim. He says Bal Thackeray stood for hard Hindutva and that Uddhav Thackeray diluted that legacy by aligning with the Congress and shared Pawar for power. The justification, once dismissed as betrayal, now appears to be resonating with voters. Shinde may no longer be chief minister, but this faction, backed by the BJP, seems to have inherited the organizational strength and ideological clarity that wins election. Raj Thackeray attempted to revive the original street politics of the Shiv Sena. He pushed the Marathi Manus plank, raised anti-migrant rhetoric, and recycled slogans from Bal Thackeray's early years. It created noise but not numbers. Maharashtra's politics have evolved. Hindutva today has a different center, and that space is firmly occupied by the BJP. Calling the BJP's ideology fake may energize loyalists, but it does not translate into seats. The uncomfortable question now facing the Thackeray's is clear. What exactly is their Sena's core ideology today? Pune presents an equally sobering picture of the Pawars. Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar reunited quickly for the municipal polls, unlike the Thackeray's, because their split had no outsider. The move was tactical and survival driven, but the results offer little comfort. In Pune, the BJP is heading for a clear majority. Both NCP factions are reduced to the margins. Congress and the Thackeray parties barely exist. Even Shinde Sena has failed to make an impact here. Pimpri Chinchwad, once a Pawar stronghold and among the richest civic bodies after Mumbai, tells the same story. The BJP has taken a commanding lead. Ajit Pawar's NCP holds some ground, but Sharad Pawar's faction is struggling to register its presence. This weakens speculation of a larger Pawar reunion at the state or national level. Talks of major roles and strategic compromises is low, eclipsed by lost electoral strength. Across Maharashtra, the pattern is unmistakable. The BJP-led alliance is set to dominate most municipal corporations. Voters appears to be choosing organization clarity and power stability over surnames and sentiments. Legacy still matters in memory, but elections are being won elsewhere. In today's Maharashtra, the ground seems to have made its choice, and it is no longer driven by family history alone.